Okay, so that annoying noise on your dashboard from the Hyundai Sonata saying your hood is open, meanwhile it's closed. So what goes bad on it is that little sensor you see right here with a screw behind it with electrical connector coming out of it. So what happened, I guess over time, I don't know, something goes bad with it, so we're going to change this one out. So what's involved to remove this? You just have to remove the bumper. There's like 3 clips on the side here, and there's a few 10mm bolts on the bottom that you got to remove. And there's 4 10mm bolts that's bolted right here. The harness travels behind. Sorry, I only have one hand right now, but the harness travels behind here and go behind here. So then you have to loosen the bolts on the headlight on this side so you can get the connector out. And yes, I'm not going to show you guys how to take the bumper off. So there's a lot of videos on YouTube how to remove that. So yeah, that's the noise that you get on your dashboard. This is the way how to fix it. Just either go to the dealership and buy the one from the dealer, or you can go on Amazon and get one for really, really cheap. And thanks for watching. Now that it's back together, now the Hyundai is back together. Now let's take a test drive and see if we still that noise on the dashboard. Okay, let's see. Cross your fingers. Okay, put this thing in reverse. Let's see what's happening. As soon as you start driving, this thing normally makes the indication telling that the hood is open when it's closed. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's see. What do you know? What do you know? The hood latch thing is gone. So we successfully fixed it. So okay. Alright, so that's your fix on if you get the indication on your dashboard saying your hood is open while it's closed. All you gotta do, just replace your hood latch, and that's about it. And thanks for watching, and take care.